She needed
I was just see if
$2,000
probably
for
can help me
gas.
with $2,000 to help me some gas, please. I'm stranded. I'm trying to get home.
You are currently being recorded.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? My name is Candace, and my Aunt Mimi stayed right here. They no longer stay there. I'm stranded. I'm trying to get home. I stay in Conyers. I was trying to see if you probably can help me with $2,000 to help me some gas, please. It's
I'm
dangerous to be
sorry.
walking out here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I don't got anything. I'm sorry.
All right, thank you.
Sorry.
Huh?
You are currently being recorded.
Caught him live in action.
Hey. So, you've got to stop throwing stuff, mate, because yesterday you broke something. Really? Yeah. So, they're my shoes, mate, and you've just thrown them across the floor. Yeah? Oh, okay. Stop doing it, dude. I've got 4 recordings, and I'll send it if I have to. You got to stop, man. You're lucky that I was...
Some people hate their jobs.
Hey, bro. Oh my god. You better act like you got some fucking sense. Talking about flying barrels. Crazy as hell. I think you're like, what the hell?
He almost made a flawless delivery.
It's okay. Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
This is definitely something to be cautious about.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
What do you need? My front switch is sticky. Can you shut it and see if it's going to operate? One more time. Thanks, man. I didn't mean to scare her. No, I appreciate it, brother. I met you one time before. Here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, take care. Tell her I'm sorry. Thank you.
What's his problem?
Hey.
That's on God. What's wrong with y'all? Man. This is crazy. I can't get a phone?
No. Get out of here.
Hey, I need a phone.
They have the wrong house.
Yes, somebody told us they lived here. They was going to meet us here. Kate.
Hello.
Sir? There's a girl named Kate. They told us they'll meet us here.
That she lived here and she wanted to come by and see her, so that's what we did. I mean, I got a big home in Black Lake. I got 45 acres. I'm a good person. Just supposed to be meeting somebody.
She's in the bathroom right now.
Listen, you gotta leave my property. The police are on the way.
All right. Sorry, we just thought we were coming to pick her up. Have a good night.
Sorry. The police are on the way. They're gonna get you and arrest you.
He thought he could wait on their porch.
Hi, what do you need? I'm just waiting for my Uber.
For your Uber?
Yeah, Uber.
You can stay on my porch.
Huh?
You can stay in my porch. It's a property. It's a private property. You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive.
You can stay on my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I called the police.
She left with a tip and the cat.
Your stuff. Is this your kitty? Your kitty? Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to help you? Here. They're heavy. You're welcome. Does Kitty live outside or does Kitty come inside? Huh? Okay. All right, you take care. Let's go, buddy.
Always check before opening your door.
I'm hearing too many ring bells, bro.
When CPS arrives at your house,
However, we have legal paperwork to pick up the child tonight.
For what, though? Give me a reason.
Because, Ms. Coleman, we have been speaking with you for the last 2 weeks concerning keeping someone in the house to help you. You have fired. Ms. Coleman asked me to give. Ms. Coleman, you have asked me to give you a reason, and if you don't listen.
And that's illegal. You cannot make me have no one in my house.
Ms. Coleman.
No, ma'am. Y'all not taking my child. No, ma'am.
Ms. Coleman, at this moment in time, we have legal rights, and when you say your child, this child no longer belongs to you. She is a ward of the state. Ms. Coleman, she is a ward of the state. And so she belongs to me. Miss Coleman, can you please open the door so we can get Destiny?
Y'all might as well just leave. She ain't giving up her kids, so.
Just watch this.
If that gets a bunch of views, I want half. Actually, if you can email that to me, sjason138@gmail.com. S as in Sam, Jason138@gmail. Thank you.
She did not follow the delivery instructions.
Why are you touching it? I'm looking at it.
His dogs were excited.
What's that?
Oh.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Whoa.
Oh shit, no, she wanna attack me. She just loves people.
Okay. So they're all sweet?
Yeah, they're all sweet.
Oh, okay.
They just wanna lick your face.
Oh snap! Hey, alright, so Matt.
Yeah, what's up?
I
Buddy?
really need you, man. Please,
What's up?
Can I please borrow the bike for a day? I need to do something.
Sure. Hold on 1 second. Let me get these pups in and I'll let you. Is your bike out of commission?
Yes.
Damn. Sorry, bro.
I actually traded it for a go-kart, and the go-kart needs
Come on,
to work.
Harley, come on. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go in or open up the garage.
Yes, sir.
Perfect doorbell sound for Halloween.
Fire burn, cauldron bubble, leave your message on the double!
That's really creepy.
When bees attack,
Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi, Dad. Me? Oh my god, there's a bee. Shooby. Shooby. Trying to get into our house. It's on the door handle. So funny. Go away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it gone? god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This cat decided to leave with the delivery man.
Where are they all at, huh, guys?
This fake cop arrived in the middle of the night. Always watch your surroundings. Is she exaggerating?
Ow! 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 Donnie! 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 Oh! Donnie! Donnie, ow! Oh my god! I think I broke a fucking rib. Donnie! Oh, please call an ambulance. Donnie, I'm not kidding.
You don't need an ambulance for broken ribs.
Donnie! Please! Donnie, I think I broke something. I just fell on my fucking water bottle. Donnie, please call an ambulance.
Stand up.
Donnie,
you
please.
don't need an ambulance.
Donnie, please.
Sir, you do not need an ambulance. Stand up.
Donnie, please.
You got the wind knocked out of you.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Donnie, ow!
Stand
Donnie,
up.
please. Donnie, please.
Stand up.
I can't.
Everyone needs a neighbor like
Tomorrow's
this.
your recyclables.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate that.
Yeah, and I took some of the boxes out of your thing because if you don't have the lid closed on it, they won't pick it up. So I put it with the trash I had.
Man, I really appreciate you, man. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Okay, bye-bye.
What is going on here? He's fed up.
Stop putting these little grocery bags in the trash. Put them big trash bag and put them in there, man. Stop getting these shit. I'm telling y'all. There they go.
Hopefully he's okay. These thieves tried to break into this home.
Holidays available with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. Patronage protected.
The knock had everyone scared.